Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to get the brand new Crown Hacker Rod screen from the Fix It Classic event, and in here we will also review it. So this rod skin can only be obtained through the Classic event. All you have to do is collect ticks, which you can earn automatically by completing your daily quest. And once you finish all your quests every day, you will get this rod skin like this. It will look like this. I think the appearance it's pretty good. It's pretty clean and so unique like this. It's so cool. And then next, let's test it out. Does it have any special fishing effects? Let's test it. I will test it over here. And then like this. And okay, like this, it turns out no, there are no special effects when you use this rod. It's purely a cosmetic skin with no extra visual boost in the water. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.